You guys look, I successfully got him wearing the shoes, off harness and on harness. Thanks to my stepdad and I, but mostly my training. So I'll just show you in a quick heel, really quick. Zeke heel. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Much better weather today. Yes. Good. Good boy. Good boy, smart boy. Yeah. Hey, where's that tail? Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good job. Yes.